Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a weekend clean with me. This was Saturday, and on Saturdays I usually get the house ready for the coming week, and I do everything that I don't really do over the work week. So today I did a little bit of picking up the kitchen. Thankfully it was picked up because my fiance helps me with the kitchen a lot of the times, so he had done some of the cleaning up from the day before and from breakfast that day, but I did have to pick it up a little bit, so I did that. Today I also did some like laundry. I also did a little bit of vacuuming and mopping, just getting everything ready for the coming week. Once I finished up cleaning and organizing the countertops and just, cleaning them off, I went ahead and started vacuuming the kitchen area. And I had my little helper Peluso. He's my little fur baby, and he's just always following me around, and he loves the vacuum, so he comes out whenever the vacuum comes out. So he was helping me, and then what I do is I leave my mopping to the very end. So I vacuum I finish with this place, so I vacuum it, but I leave my mopping to the end. I then went ahead and went into our bedroom and I changed the sheets. You guys, I absolutely love when we change the sheets because I sleep like a baby that night, and I usually do this weekly. So weekly I'll change our bed sheets and put on a new bed sheet, and then obviously I have to do laundry and everything. But yeah, so I did our bed, and I have so many pillows, but I pushed through and I put all the pillows in the bed and got it all looking nice. I then went ahead and started decluttering our nightstands. Mine was pretty clean from the day before, but my fiance's we hadn't touched. So I decluttered the top, and then I also cleaned it up, and it turned out looking beautiful. And now you can see the decorations with no water bottles on the way. And then after that, I also cleaned dusted off our dresser and the rest of our bedroom. Moving on to our bathroom, I went ahead and cleared off the countertops first, and then I started cleaning the glass. I need recommendations for a good but natural glass cleaner, you guys, because I usually either just use water or vinegar. I ran out of my vinegar, but I don't love the smell that the vinegar leaves, so I need recommendations on a good but natural glass cleaner so that I can leave my mirrors and my dining room table, which is also glass, looking very beautiful, but I don't want the smell of the vinegar. Anyway, I went ahead and started cleaning my sinks, and I have this cleaner which is not natural, but I'm trying to use it up also before I purchase a new one. But if you have any recommendations at all on any natural cleaners, please let me know. I then moved on to our shower. I clean our shower weekly. I do not like to leave it more than that because it just gets, gross, like you're showering in there. So it just gets gross, so I do that weekly. Finished up in the bathroom, so I did some vacuuming, and then the fun part, mopping, begins. I started off mopping like from my bathroom all the way to my kitchen area. My kitchen area is always the more dirty, like the floor gets dirtier, so that's why I start in my bathroom, and then depending on if I need to change my mop water or not, I will do that. But I do like to start off first in our bathroom and bedroom area. And I don't know if it's just me, you guys, but I feel like mopping is a full-on workout. Mopping gets me so tired, so when I finished so tired. So I was so glad that I finished everything and I could just relax afterwards. And then on Sunday also, the whole day I could just relax. That's why I love cleaning on Saturdays when I can, because then on Sunday I can just relax the whole entire day. And this is the final result, you guys. This is my living room, kitchen, and bedroom, bathroom. I'm just so proud how everything looks and how clean my house feels and how I can just relax for the rest of the weekend. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!